Exercise 47. Find the equation of line K, which is not shown, which is parallel to the line shown and has a y-intercept of 3. We are looking for the equation of a line, which would be always in the form mx plus c. What do we know here? We know that the slope of K should be equal to the slope of what I see, and in order to find that, I'm going to use 2 points. Here one, 4, 1, and I'm going to use this one as well, which is the point with coordinates -1, -1. So from here, the slope is 1 minus minus 1, which is 2, over 4 minus minus 1, which is 4 plus 1, 5. That's the slope. Y is 2/5 x plus c. This form is called slope-intercept form simply because m, the coefficient of x, shows the slope and c shows the y-intercept. Here we were told directly the value of that intercept, which is 3. This means that c would be 3, and therefore the equation of the line k that I was looking for is 2/5, let me correct that, 2/5 times x plus 3.